Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make French eggs. First, gather your ingredients: fresh eggs, good quality butter, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Using a non-stick pan is crucial for achieving that signature smooth texture. A flexible rubber spatula will be your best friend for gently stirring the eggs. These simple tools and ingredients are the foundation for a truly delicious breakfast. Begin by cracking 2 to 3 eggs into a bowl and whisking them just enough to combine the yolks and whites. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter in your non-stick pan over low to medium-low heat. Pour in the eggs and immediately start stirring gently with your spatula, continuously scraping the bottom and sides. This slow, constant motion prevents large curds and promotes a silky texture. As the eggs begin to set but are still slightly wet, remove the pan from the heat. Stir in a small pat of cold butter. This stops the cooking process and adds incredible richness. Season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. For an extra luxurious touch, you can fold in a tablespoon of crème fraîche. Serve your perfectly creamy French eggs immediately to savor their delicate texture. The key to perfect French eggs is avoiding overcooking. They should be soft, moist, and almost custardy. Resist the urge to add milk or water, as this can dilute their rich flavor. Using a smaller pan, about 8 inches, for 2 to 3 eggs helps maintain better heat control. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment with your heat and stirring technique.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.